It's Valentine's Day, so we are going to celebrate by making heart-shaped pizzas, and Spencer and I are going to be having dinner tonight together. So yeah, let's go get ready for it. Alright, the next step for today is I'm going to be doing my hair. I'm just going to brush through it. I want to do it half up and then have like a red hair bow at the back. So to do that, I'm just going to take this section, just do a loose braid. Here's my loose braid. I'm just going to put a loose elastic at the end. Okay, let me get my red hair bow. It's so cute. Ah. Here's my hair bow. So we're going to be making focaccia bread with pizza topping, and we are going to try to shape it into a heart. So 400 grams.
Hi.
In a large mixing bowl, place water and dissolve the yeast. Oh wait,
What?
don't do that yet. Forgot the wrong recipe.
I was gonna do it.
250 milliliters of water at 30 degrees Celsius.
What? I've never measured water like this before.
I think it's easier.
Oh!
I poured too much.
Don't worry, I have extra.
6 grams of active dry yeast.
Cool. Pour it in and then I got it set to grams now. So.
Okay.
Yep.
Dissolve the yeast, then add salt and olive oil. So how do we dissolve it?
Well, I think we stir it. It's making yeast noises. I don't know. Don't know what that. Is that what it means? Got kicked off of yeast duty. So that's okay. I'm here for any questions you have about me. These are all great questions. Thank you. I appreciate being here.
Okay, we dissolve the yeast. Beautiful.
That's fine. If it makes it through right away, then it's fine.
Oh.
We need 4 more grams. Ah, that's at least 15. Wait.
Yeah.
Like a Polaroid picture. Do you need me to take over? Do you need to stop? I mean, there's only a few jokes I can make about kneading, so I think I'm over it. I just kind of like pizza or what? And now we let it rise. Say it. Let it rise. What? We did good. Now we can game while we wait. I need control sticks. So. Oh, it's poofy.